Hello everyone. So our trip comes to an end today, and we are just about to leave our hotel. And I thought that I should give you again a last review of the hotel and with some views of the hotel. So I'm standing at the breakfast area. Here are some tables. You can see that in my background. This is a really very nice, cute, small area, also a small part of the hotel where you can directly have a view of the nature. You can see the trees behind me and beautiful weather. And food was quite good. They gave us a complimentary breakfast as well, and we had some parathas, pancakes, and what do you omelette, bread omelets. I don't eat omelette, but my friends had it. So and they said that it was a good omelette. So no complaints. It's a see the hotel is very reasonable, but the rooms are pretty old, and you won't believe that how affordable is it. It costed us like 70 to 100 for 10 peoples, 10 people for one day, and their check-in time is 12 a.m., 12 noon, and checkout time is 11 a.m. So it's 10:56, and we are just about to check out the hotel. So we had nice experience here because we basically need the hotel for to sleep and to have some good food when it is required. So it fulfilled every requirement of ours in very affordable price. So the staff is very helpful. They're very calm people. Hey, here is the one person. What's your name, Bhaiya? Sorry? Pushpendra. Pushpendra. Pushpendra Bhaiya is very helpful. He helped us. He gave us very nice breakfast, lovely breakfast. He is a very hardworking person like other staff here, and everything seems to be pretty good. The again the view is very beautiful from the breakfast area, and it has a small shop as well just below this breakfast area where you may buy some cold drinks, chips, ice creams were very nice. We had ice cream at the last night at 11 p.m. and it was branded ice cream like we generally get in New Delhi as well, the same, but in this area things are pretty difficult here, so everybody charges a lot, but the prices were pretty reasonable here. So that's all, and I personally prefer, like, if you are coming with your friends and with a small family as well, so I can prefer you this place. This is a very nice place, and it's very affordable. The owner is also very helpful. He guided us with many things about the local area and tourist attractions. He suggested that where we can go and what we can do in nearby areas, and it really helpful. It saved us a lot of money as well because we were paying extra high for commuting everywhere by taxis. They charge a pretty good amount, but he advised us that I'll get you some scooties, and you may use them. And I also recommend you that if you are coming to McLeodganj and if you want to see the nearby attraction like Bhaksunath temple and the Lai Lama temple and Bhaksunath waterfall, those places are pretty downside. So once you visit there by foot or once you come back, you have to uh, climb a very high way. So it's very difficult personally for me, and I hope that it would be difficult for you as well. So hire a scooty. They charge like 600 rupees uh, for they have you have to return the scooty by 8 p.m. at the night, and in 1 liter of fuel you may visit everywhere. You may cover all the areas, and it will be very comfortable for you if you do that by a scooty or maybe a bike. Parking is not an issue on the attraction, and that's pretty all. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.